So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
What is going on guys, TechRex here. We've got a legit success right here. This thing is still in the little ceiling here again, and it is just so beautiful taking this out. Oh man, I love doing that, absolutely love doing that. I want to give you guys a closer look here just so you can see there are the corners. We are going to be completely transforming this success, so if you guys ever want to do something like this, please feel free to do so at your own risk. It's going to be very, very creative, very different. We've got a belt sander right here. Let's go straight into this and I'll show you guys what we're going to do here. Okay guys, check this out. We have an iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it, temperature warning, and so far, wow, this looks transformed. One of a kind personalized iPhone right here, and you could do this at your own home. It's that easy guys, that simple. So now we're gonna go with the sides. Make sure and go with the corners as well because we really want to make this a chrome-like finish. Because that's our goal. So let's keep going. So continue the process. Okay guys, check this out. The success is finally complete. This is a true masterpiece, and I want to first show you guys this right here. This thing went through a major weight loss. I want to show you guys. Oh, as I take that, this is all of the aluminum that the phone was shaved from. Look at that. Oof. Check that out. I want to show you guys the final product right here. The cool thing about this is everything works. The buttons still work, volume rockers, and the sides are so clean. That power button is completely surfaced, it's smooth, it's hidden, and it still turns off and on very easily. So you could do this guys to your very own success. Super awesome. It's legit. Again, one more time, there is the back. Oof. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And that is pretty much it guys. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, peace out.